Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we'll be making apple, beetroot and carrot juice, also known as ABC juice. Okay, and these three ingredients are the main ingredients for this juice, which is the apple, beetroot and carrots. So these ingredients are rich sources of antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E and beta-carotene, okay? So the high content of vitamin C in this ABC juice, especially from the apple, the carrot and the orange I'll be using for taste, okay, will help boost the immune system and also help prevent infections and promote the overall health and well-being of your body, okay? So here I have just one medium-sized beetroot and one apple and also just one carrot, okay? And I'll be using just a thumb size of ginger. So you can choose to skip the ginger part, okay? But you know that ginger is also good in digestion and also boosts our immune system, so why not? So for making this juice, all you need to do is just to wash and peel the carrots and the beets, okay, and also wash your apple thoroughly and then cut this into tiny bits that your blender can carry. If you're using a juicer, that's perfect. So I'm using a blender, and after I'm going to strain out the juice using a sieve, okay, or a strainer. So once you're done chopping up the vegetables, all you need to do is to blend this smoothly and also make sure there are no lumps spotted inside the juice, okay? Once you're done doing this, then use a sieve to strain out the juice and serve your juice cold, okay? This tastes so nice and you will love to always take this first thing in the morning or the last thing at night, okay? So for this particular recipe, I used just 1 glass of water to blend the vegetables, okay, and that was just perfect. So finally we are done juicing our ABC juice, okay, and you can always take this juice every day. It can be included in your daily routine, okay, and of course you know this juice is packed with so many health benefits. Some people call this a miracle juice because it has so many health benefits, okay, and also you can store this in your fridge for 3 to 4 days inside the fridge, okay, and you are going to enjoy it. And I hope you're going to be trying this recipe. If you would, please do not forget to come back and share here in the comment section how it was, okay? If you've taken it before, please share in the comment section and tell us how it was, and see you in my next video, okay? Until then, bye, and do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe.